challenging a Florida judge's ruling to do away with mask mandates on planes and public transit.
WGN's Dana Rebick is live at O'Hare with the latest on that. Dana.
Well, Monday's court ruling out of Florida did catch many people off guard, and now the Department of Justice will head to a higher court to try to reinstate and then extend this mask mandate, as many people have ditched their masks over the last 2 days.
Most of the airplane was no masks.
About 10% were wearing masks.
Most people were not wearing them, and even if they started wearing them, they eventually took them off.
As travelers demask, news tonight the policy on public transit could potentially change again. In a move to protect the CDC's authority over public health, the agency has now asked the Department of Justice to appeal Monday's federal court ruling out of Florida.
It's the right step. We should have a mask mandate on airplanes. It's kind of a no-brainer. It's not hard to wear a mask.
The legislation around this is absolutely confusing, and I'm going to say even unnecessary, because in all other venues and arenas, public places, you don't have to wear your mask.
The CDC order requiring masks for travelers had been set to expire on May 3rd. Today, the agency saying requiring masking in the indoor transportation corridor remains necessary to protect public health, and they believe enforcing a mandate is well within the agency's legal authority.
And the Department of Justice, as you noted, has indicated that they would appeal, not just because they think it's entirely reasonable, of course, to have this additional time to look at it, but because they think that the for current and future public health crises, we want to preserve that authority for the CDC to have in the future.
The administration carrying out a legal fight to preserve masking powers for the future.
It's all politics. Has nothing to do with safety.
Travelers divided on the latest back and forth, now waiting to find out if the masking rules will change once again.
If it's evidence-based, and there's a reason why we need to wear them, because we see that there's new variants and the cases are going up, then sure, we can mask up again. But otherwise, it doesn't seem like there's purpose.
Now, the appeal did not include a request for a stay, which would have immediately put the court order on hold and reinstated the mask mandate. Legal experts say that shows that this is less about current COVID-19 conditions and more about preserving the CDC's authority. Live at O'Hare, Dana Rebick, WGN News.
Thank you, Dana. Chicago police on the hunt for